Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin, and today I'm going to show you how to change the license plate bulbs on your Honda Pilot. Alright guys, so this is pretty easy to do. You just get yourself a little screwdriver and stick it on the sides here and pry this little lens out. Just be careful, alright? So this is what it looks like. So you see this one tab offset and there's one tab in the middle, okay? And if you're looking here, you can see the holes. The hole in the middle goes here and the other one goes towards the back here. So when you put it back in, it's gonna go in like that, just same way you took it out, okay? You might want to clean it, it's pretty filthy, okay? So now this bulb, you just grab it and pull it out, just like that. Okay, this is your old bulb. These are the new ones. 194 is the number you gotta get. So let's put these in. Okay, you just take the new bulb and push it in place. That's it. Okay, make sure the bulb works before you put this cover back on. And this cover, make sure this hole right here, that's the drain hole for the water. Make sure that's clear, okay? So we're ready to put this back in. All right, guys, when putting this lens in, make sure this tab in the middle here goes towards the left side of the car. The tab on the bottom here goes towards the front of the car. So you're gonna put this in like this side first, like that. And just push it in and clip it in place, okay? That's it. All right, guys, the light on this side is still working, but I'm gonna change it anyway. At least take out the lens and clean it, you know. Okay, the lens goes the same way. This middle tab goes towards the left side of the car, and this bottom tab goes towards the front of the car. So just like this. All right, check it out. Both lights are working. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.